Do you know anyone that needs to drink water? Why do you need to drink water? Drinking water in the proper amounts will help you stay healthier. It will also assist you in removing toxins from your body. I have learned and experienced the benefits of water. I am made up of 60 to 75% of water, just as each of you. If you haven't figured out, we're going to talk about drinking water in the proper amounts. Proper water for the body is based on weight. And we'll talk about the percentage of water that makes up your body, the importance of water to your health, and the cleansing effect it has on your body, the importance of drinking water versus soda or sports drinks or any other kind of drink. As we begin, we'll look at our bodies and what percentage of them is water. What is the proper amount of water for your specific body? Each of us has a different body makeup, and thus we individually need different amounts of water. According to an article entitled "What's the Deal About Water Needs?" written by Ellis, each of us needs to be drinking at least 1 ounce for every 2 pounds of body weight. So that's 1 ounce for every 2 pounds of body weight a day. Some other facts from that article: 2/3 of the body weight is water. So that would mean that our body is 83% water, according to this article. Muscles within the body, 75% of the muscles are water. Our brain, 74% is water. The bones within our body, 22% are water, according to this article. Now, I have another article that I went through entitled "Human Water Needs" by Sauka. And in that article, it differs from the 83% of our body being water. It states that the average adult male, the total body weight of water is represented by 50 to 70%. So variability in the total body water is primarily due to the differences of our body composition. So each of us is composed differently. He talks about in that article that lean body mass is about 73% water. So those who work out and are made up of lean body, 73% of their body will be water. Whereas fat and the body mass is 10% water. So if you have fat, you have 10% of that fat is water, versus lean muscle, 73% is water. So we can see that as we lean our bodies out, that we become healthier and stronger, because we're giving the body what it needs, and it can function better with that water within the body. So from these facts, we can see why our health depends on water and the consumption of it. So, importance of water on our health, let's spend a few minutes talking about that. Water has many different roles within the body. We'll discuss how it assists in keeping us healthy and how it helps cleanse our bodies. Our health is enhanced by water. In an article entitled "Water, the Elixir of Life," it talks about when we supply our bodies with the proper water, here are a few benefits that come from it. We have decreased fluid retention. Our glands and hormones are improved in their functions. The nutrients that we need to feed our body are carried to their destinations. The proteins and enzymes within the body can heal the body. Communication from the brain can be transported. Cleansing of the body will take place. Flushing wastes and toxins. It lubricates the joints. It cleanses our internal organs. It removes the toxins from our blood. These are some important things that happen as we have water within our body. In another article entitled "Water as an Essential Nutrient," it states, by Jacqueur, Water is a main constituent of cells, tissues, and organs, and it's vital for life. In fact, if we went 5 days without water, we wouldn't be alive. We would be without life. That's how important that it is. Despite its well-established importance, water is often forgot as we create dietary recommendations. The most essential part of who we are and what makes up our body is forgotten as we create dietary recommendations. Knowing that water is so important for many different functions within the body, can it be replaced? Let's look at water versus other drinks. Water is irreplaceable. Water is the #1 drink for the body, unless we're engaged in strenuous workouts or we're working outside in the sun, in the heat. Then we need to replace electrolytes. And in an article entitled Water versus Sports Drinks, Murphy states, sports drinks such as Gatorade, Powerade, and All Sport contain water, carbohydrates, and electrolytes. And the electrolytes are what we're losing when we're working out or working out in the heat, in the sun. And these are best used in activities that are usually more than 60 minutes. Recent research has been done in this article that sports drinks contain 50 to 80 calories per 8 ounces and are well tolerated and improve endurance when you exercise or you're in the heat. So it's important to use these products when you're out working out or in the heat to provide those electrolytes. But overall, remember, water is the #1 drink for our body. And we can see the importance of water and what it plays in our bodies. So let's recap what we've discussed. Our bodies, yours and mine, are made up of somewhere between 50 and 75% of water. So it's vital that we drink plenty of it. Our health will improve as we drink enough water. Many functions of the body rely on water, especially the removal of toxins and waste within the cells and the bloodstream in our body. No other drink will replace the need for water. Other drinks will add sugar and calories to your intake. Water will not. We need, remember, 1 ounce for every 2 pounds of body weight per day. So 1 ounce of water for every 2 pounds of weight a day. With water being so important to the functions of our body, I encourage each of you to evaluate your water intake and do what you need to do to drink the proper amount of water for your body. As you do this, you will feel better, you'll live longer, and you'll have a happier life. Here's to water for life.